It's for my area, I think.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evansville to near Janesville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Milton, Edgerton, Footsville, Lake Coachella, Fulton, Alton, Musco, Indian Fort, and Layton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorms will impact Rock County through